Hey everyone! The Honor Magic 2 just arrived, so let's open up the box and find out what exactly is so enchanting about this phone. This is the box. When you open it up, the first thing that you see is the phone. Ours comes in a mirror-like black gradient paint job. Under the Magic 2 is a box with some reading material you're gonna ignore, and a case. This is an elegant black one and looks way classier than the usual clear plastic cases that come included with other phones. Sadly, the awesome paint job is hidden, but at least the phone is less slippery. On the case box itself is a pin ejector tool. Under that is a wall adapter, a USB cable, and a dongle, which means there's no need to search for a headphone jack on this device. Now that we've got the phone in hand, let's take a look at its top features. An all-screen display and fidgety slider. The Honor Magic 2 has a gorgeous AMOLED display that's nearly 6.4 inches. There's no notch taking up screen space either, so you get to see every part of your content in its full glory. The notch-free situation comes thanks to the fun slide mechanism that lets you reveal the front cameras by snapping them up or down. Gorgeous gradient paint job. Huawei and Honor have really been killing it lately with their paint jobs, and this phone's gradient back is no different. In-display fingerprint reader. This is the latest phone from Huawei, Honor, to have an in-display fingerprint reader, though it remains to be seen how fast it is in comparison to other sensors. Flagship chipset. The Magic 2 ships with Huawei's top-of-the-line Kirin 980 chipset and 8 gigs of RAM. With these specs, even the heavy-duty mobile gamers among you shouldn't notice a slowdown. Supercharged 2.0. Like the Mate 20 Pro, the Magic 2 has a Supercharged 2.0 quick charger. This 40-watt fast-charging system means you'll be able to get from 0 to 70% in 30 minutes. Stereo speakers. I'm so happy that more and more phones are including stereo speakers on their devices nowadays. Now, it just remains to be seen how good these ones really are. Android Pie. There's no need to wait for updates with this phone because it's one of the first to ship with Android Pie and EMUI on top. That means you'll have all the latest security updates and features straight out of the box. 6 cameras. Yeah, this phone has 6 cameras, 3 on the front, 3 on the back. That's crazy. On the back, you have the 16-megapixel main camera, a monochrome camera with a large sensor to aid with detail, and a wide-angle camera for those moments where you really can't take another step back. On the front, there's a 16-megapixel main camera, while the other 2 assist with 3D emojis and face recognition. Huawei has packed a lot in this phone, and we can't wait to see if all these features are actually as good as they sound. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll try to get to them in the full review. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you next time.